Welcome to the Easy Tech channel, and just wanted to make sure that you guys understand that in a couple of weeks from now, we will actually have the last Patch Tuesday update, or security updates for Windows 7. So that's coming up quite fast, actually, and also means that you need to think about your options. And I wanted to talk about these different options. So first of all, does that mean Windows 7 is going to stop working? Absolutely not. Windows 7 is still going to be working as an operating system on your PC for as long as you use it. What does it mean? Well, it means that because you don't have any security updates anymore, as time goes by, as the weeks go by, you'll have more and more chances of getting hit by malware or problems about security, because there will be security flaws in Windows 7 that will be unpatched. That means just going on the internet could be enough to be infected by some malware or something stealing your data. Who should not worry about it? If your PC running Windows 7 doesn't work, you're not using it on the internet, it's not plugged in the internet, it just does its own thing, maybe for gaming, maybe for some machinery that you want to work with, or maybe it just is used for some specific item, but isn't plugged on the internet, you're okay. You can continue using it. As long as you're not on the internet, the security risk is pretty much zero. If you use it on the internet, what can you do if you don't want to go on to some other operating system? Of course, one of the things that you could do is make sure that you have a good antivirus installed. Even though most of the security is on your side, you are the number one security, and you are going to decide and make that operating system secure by what you actually do. The other option that is to think about is the fact that you need to update all the browsers you use. So if you use Google Chrome, make sure you use it and you update it. How long the software will be actually updated, it's hard to say. But at some point, of course, all browsers will stop being updated. Then your risk is going to really increase a lot. So what are the risks? Well, if you're careful on the internet, the risks are going to start to be low at the beginning, but they will increase over time. And that means over time, you'll really need to start thinking about what you're going to do. As for the risk itself and what you're going to do, we're going to have a few more videos on this channel where we're going to talk about the options available to you if you are thinking of, what will I do and should I move on to another operating system, buy a new PC, and so on. We'll have a few more videos on the channel talking about this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.